Welcome into this video about the Dubb AI writing tool IRA. Let's jump in.
So I think one of the best tools we have is IRA, right here, our AI writing assistant. Now we added a little feature to IRA within the past 6 months. This little profile feature right here, this blue icon. So if you click on this here, it's going to say create profile. I created sales in basic. You can have a bunch of these. The reason we did this is because AI is going to learn about your particular outreach and about you. So the presets are customized landing pages. So if I was in real estate and I made a customized landing page for buyers, well, I want to go into IRA now and I want to create a little profile for buyers. So when I write a script for buyers, it's going to know what I'm looking for and all about what I'm doing. And I can just change the profile when I want to address the different audiences, which is really neat. So if I go to create a profile, this is what it would look like. You'd have your name in here, and then you just hover over the eye icon and it'll give you more details about the question. What is your unique selling proposition? Your definition of success for your clients? All this kind of good stuff. And then you can control the tone of your communication. Obviously, maybe it's different for the different audiences that you're talking to. And then you can also use the charm method, which we came up with down here, which is an acronym for the structure. So the C stands for capture their interest right away. The H is highlight the problem. A is address the solution. R is reinforce with social proof. And M is motivate to take action. So when I hit save here, all I'm going to do is choose a prompt from the prompts that we have here. And then I'm going to write a quick little message here on why video is much better than text sales. Choose my length and then hit submit. And once I hit submit, it's going to take into account everything we just talked about. So that opening line, imagine capturing someone's interest with just one click. Video makes this possible in a fast-paced world of sales. Text alone falls flat. So it talks about a good hook in the beginning and what the issue is. Text falls flat. Now, the traditional messages can be misinterpreted, right? But enter video, a dynamic medium that conveys enthusiasm, builds trust, and stands out. What about the social proof? Well, remarkable 30 to 300% increase in sales, and with hundreds of positive testimonials, our approach is tried, tested, and trusted. Now, what about an action? Well, book a time in my calendar or send me a video reply. So it absolutely learned about what my outreach was. It applied the structure that we talked about, and it worked really well. Now, we always give this an HI pass. We give it the human pass after the AI does its thing. And then we can preview this stuff with a voice back if you want to do that, if it wants to play.
Imagine capturing a prospect's attention with just one click.
And then you can also copy it to a clipboard, put it into a doc. You can also import it directly to scripts. It'll take it right over here under assets, save it right over here. Now, this is the flow that we normally do. We'll come up with a topic, we'll use IRA to write it, we'll save it to scripts, we'll load it into a teleprompter, and then we'll record the video. So that's a really nice flow to get into.
Thanks for watching this video. We will see you at the next one.